Thank you for everything.
Ask the big wigs in the company, you know.
Now it's actually going to happen.
Oh yeah, definitely happening now. So are we good here? Because I don't get paid for it.
It's my life. Let go.
Fancy seeing you here.
Perfect timing, love. You can help me tidy up here. Sure, it's like Armageddon in here.
Stop moving.
Sorry. I should probably take advantage of this while I still can.
So when are you going?
At the end of the month.
Oh, Abby, I didn't know the gender.
I need your help. I'm being chased by a demon, or demons if you count me parents.
Demons?